What's going on YouTube? I'm Zach.
I'm Bryce.
And we're Sea Boyz. We got another inshore fishing video for you guys today.
We're gonna be catching redfish, trout, and some sheephead.
Let's fish it.
Boys, welcome to the Sea Boyz. We're out in Tiki Island in Galveston Bay. We're gonna do some fishing.
Rob, what are we hoping to catch today?
Hopefully some gold, maybe some treasure, plundered treasure.
Some sunglasses.
So Nico's not very
This rookie.
experienced with a bait caster, and he backlashed it, which means the line just tangled up inside the reel, and all you gotta do is pull it out.
That's all you gotta do.
All you gotta do.
Now that we got the reel fixed, what are you trying to catch, Nico?
Honestly, whatever I can get. If I catch some trash, you know, I'll be happy with that. You know what I mean?
Captain Miave driving the boat while sitting, as you can see, slowly floating around, trying to find a new spot, hopefully get some more bites.
Showing the other shrimp what's gonna happen to them.
Welcome back YouTube. We're going to continue the ultimate fishing challenge. We're going to do some inshore night fishing with the green lights and hopefully get a little lucky tonight. Let's fish it. Got Captain Miave as the first contender. Shout out to Jay Stash.
Yes, sir.
Coming to contend, you know, big fisher guy. Gorilla Fingers as the third contestant. That's right.
You know why.
In the flesh, bro. Hopefully we get lucky tonight.
For y'all, we got 5 points for redfish, 4 for flounder, 3 for trout, 2 for stingray, and 1 for sheephead.
Green lights are looking nice right now.
First catch. Let's go.
Let's go.
It ain't no Greg, but I'll settle.
All right, ladies and Gorilla Fingers is in first place at the moment. He caught a bonus, which is a catfish.
It's worth 1 point.
There you go.
Let's go.
Catch and release, baby.
Let's fish it.
Yes.
Update, Bryce still has caught nothing.
Damn.
Josh was almost there, lost the fish.
You gotta hold your mouth right.
There you go. And we got the ringleader still in first place.
I'm just relaxing. I got no worries.
That's what I like to hear. Y'all can take a few notes from this guy, right? All right, ladies and gentlemen, you have it here first. Gorilla Fingers with first place, happened to catch the catfish. J Stash coming in second. Happened to lose a fish, but you know, it's all good. And Captain Miave, who happened to got third, unfortunately.
Bad 0.
Stay tuned till next time, ladies and gentlemen. Fish it.